Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the new Alcatel Linkzone 2 Hotspot. This hotspot is used as a solution for those who need to give internet connections to their devices when they're on the go. This supplements these public hotspots such as Xfinity or when you go to Starbucks. This is more of a private connection that you have with your cell phone carrier. So we're gonna go ahead here and unbox this device to see what comes in this box. So first we have important information. This is, it looks like you have the Wi-Fi passwords and serial numbers on this postcard. Here we have the Alcatel Hotspot. So this is just like a puck that you put a SIM card in and get a data connection through your carrier, and that allows you to share the connection with multiple devices on the go. We have the charging port, and this port here is where you connect to your computer if you'd rather have a wired connection for it. We have the power button on the side and instructions on how to remove the back cover to put your battery and your SIM card into this device. But let's go ahead and continue and see what else this box has inside of it. Nothing there. So we have a T-Mobile SIM card. This model specifically is from T-Mobile, so you do need a SIM card and service in order for this device to work. A data plan can be shared with multiple devices. And let's continue. Now we have all of the books. It looks like we have a welcome guide. We have the warranty book, terms and conditions all included. I'll open this up so you can take a look at it. Give me 1 second. What do we have here? So first we have the warranty booklet with the terms and conditions in one book and a return policy. As you guys know, you can return these devices directly to the store where you've bought it. In this case, it would be T-Mobile. On the back of it, we have it in Spanish. Now the next is a welcome guide. Same, one side in English, one side in Spanish. This gives you the instructions on how to use the device and what each of the lights mean and the buttons on the side. This device includes a USB cable. I believe it's USB Type-C that is used for the Linkzone. Let's find out here. Yes, it is. So this device uses USB Type-C in order to recharge. And this cable can also be used to connect directly to your computer in order to have a wired connection. Here we have a rechargeable battery. It's pretty nice that you can actually remove the battery, so they're replaceable in this case. Let's open this up and take a look. There we go. So this is just the battery that goes inside of the device to power it up. This device doesn't need to be connected in order to work. As long as the battery is charged and there's an internet connection, it's able to be shared with multiple devices using the password that we saw in the original postcard during the unboxing. Lastly, what do we have? We have the charging base. So this is where you connect your device to the wall. So when the battery dies, you're able to have it connected and charging, which you'll still be able to use. So whether it's being charged or working off of the battery, you'll be able to use the device. And you also have the option to also have a wired connection. So make sure you share and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in.